I've covered dozens of robotic vacuum cleaners over the past several years, and I always seem to come back to Dreame as my main go-to vacuum cleaner. Last month I had the opportunity to check out the all-new X50 Ultra at the Dreame booth at CES, and I finally have one in the studio. In this video, we're going to fully cover the all-new Dreame X50 Ultra. Big shout outs to Dreame for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Dreame has always been an industry leader when it comes to navigation, obstacle avoidance, and suction power, but they're bringing some new innovative tech to the X50 Ultra, starting with the ProLeap system. One common pain point with robotic vacuum cleaners is their tendency to get stuck, especially with U-shaped furniture or even higher than usual thresholds. The ProLeap system eliminates that issue by adding robotic retractable legs which lift the chassis, enabling this robotic vacuum to navigate in complicated terrain. The demonstration of the ProLeap system was definitely a showstopper at CES, but I actually got to test this out in my own home. I placed a 2x4 in the middle of my floor. As this approached the 2x4, you can see where it actually lifts up the entire chassis of the vacuum with these retractable legs. It then moves forward and is able to climb over the obstacle. This works great for door sills, small steps. We even have an area over by our fireplace that this is definitely great for. The ProLeap system is able to clear up to 6cm double layer thresholds, a 4.2cm vertical step, or it can cross steps more than 4cm with a climbing mat. The Versalift navigation allows us to get under low-lying furniture like sofas and beds. I actually have an antique armoire that most vacuum cleaners cannot go under. With the Versalift system, when the X50 Ultra approaches that antique armoire, it lowers the 360 DTOF and then can proceed to clean under that piece of furniture. There are lots of different low-lying pieces of furniture that this is now able to clean under thanks to the Versalift system. When it's in an open area, it does use the DTOF 360 array, allowing this to have super accurate navigation and obstacle avoidance. To avoid obstacles in low-to-ground spaces, this is able to lower the DTOF and use advanced cameras and intelligent algorithms. By capturing RGB images, it's able to create a 3D perception for precise navigation. In my home, I've got 3 girls and 2 girl dogs, so my son and I are definitely outnumbered. The X50 Ultra features the all-new Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush, which eliminates hair tangles. This system uses a dual brush design with a TPU rubber brush and a bristled rubber brush, which move in opposite directions, and use an innovative air duct design which efficiently flings and powerfully sucks up the hair, preventing tangles. Because this has 2 brushes which move in opposite directions, any debris that the first brush misses, the second brush is able to pick up, so you get more efficiency in the cleaning. One of my favorite features is definitely the dual arm technology. This has an extending side brush that can reach underneath low-laying furniture and appliances, but it can also reach into corners and sweep debris out of corners where other vacuum cleaners would just leave that area totally untouched. This is able to reach in and grab debris. The X50 Ultra also features one of the most thorough mops that I've seen, with both an extending mop and RoboSwing technology. This is able to reach all the edges, and then it can also get under my appliances. If I have closed doors, it's able to swing under and grab under the closed doors. This is one of the only vacuum cleaners that's able to clean under the edges of my sofa. Besides all of the new innovative features, the X50 Ultra is also one of the most powerful vacuum cleaners that I've ever seen. With 20,000 PA suction power, this is able to tackle any mess. I tested this out on my carpet with a huge mess of fruity pebbles and was able to clean that mess up with no issues. Other messes like cereal on my wood floor, coffee grounds on my tile floor, these were also no issue for the X50 Ultra. With TripleUp tech, this is able to raise the mop pads, the chassis, and the side arm to avoid cross-contamination. When this is cleaning up dry messes, it's able to raise the mop pads and lower the main brush and side brush for increased suction power. And then when this transitions over to the carpet, it will raise the mop pads and the side brush to avoid cross-contamination. Likewise, when this is cleaning up wet messes, it's going to lift up that side brush and the main brush and turn off the vacuum cleaner, so you don't have to worry about this sucking up wet messes inside the vacuum cleaner. It's going to be able to just mop those clean. When this is finished cleaning up your floors, it heads back to the all-in-one power dock where it's able to auto empty the dustbin, auto clean the mop pads with hot water, and even dry the mop pads after it's finished cleaning them. With the new Ace Clean dry board, this system uses 20 high temp spray nozzles for a spotless, streak-free washboard. You don't have to worry about removing the washboard and cleaning it by hand. It's able to do that automatically. The Omni Dirt Detection Technology 2.0 can sense when there's dirt and stains on the mops. When it detects dirt and stains, it will then send the vacuum cleaner out to re-clean the area until the vacuum returns with clean mops. With features like Versalift technology and the ProLeap system, this is definitely one of the most versatile robotic vacuum cleaners that I've ever used, and it's one of the most powerful with up to 20,000 PA of suction power, and those dual spinning mops, they're able to clean up pretty much any mess that you throw at it. The X50 Ultra by Dreame is definitely one of my favorite robotic vacuum and mop solutions. It's definitely going to be hard to beat with all of these innovative features. To find out more about the X50 Ultra and to pick one up for yourself, be sure to head to the link in the description. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.